In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a trifold brochure on Canva. First, head to Canva, click the Create Plus icon, and in the search bar type Trifold Brochure. This instantly filters designs made for brochures that fold into 3 panels, so you're starting with the right layout. Choose a suitable size based on where you'll use it. Common options include standard letter or A4. Pick the one that matches your regional paper size or printer requirements so your design translates cleanly when printed. Next, select a template that fits your purpose and open it in the editor. Templates give you a solid structure and balanced spacing, which is especially helpful for brochures with multiple panels. Once it's open, start editing the text. Click on any text box to update headings, body copy, and placeholder contact details. Keep headings short and clear, use concise body text, and replace placeholders with your own details without sharing any private or sensitive information. Now fine-tune the look. Use the toolbar to adjust colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand or theme. Stick to 1 or 2 font families for consistency and ensure your text contrasts well with the background for readability. If you have brand colors, apply them to headings, accents, and backgrounds so everything feels cohesive. For visuals, add or replace images. You can upload your own photos or choose from Canva stock library, then drag them directly into the design. Use crop, adjust, and transparency tools to refine images, and keep them high quality and relevant to your message. Avoid clutter by giving images enough breathing room. Enhance the layout with elements from the Elements tab. Add shapes to create sections, icons for quick recognition like social media icons and simple graphics that support the content. Keep elements aligned and sized consistently so the brochure feels professional and easy to scan. Remember, a trifold has 2 pages, each with 3 panels. Plan the content flow with the fold in mind. The outside typically includes the front cover, the back panel, and the flap. The inside is a 3-panel spread for your main message. Put your most compelling headline and imagery on the cover, keep essential details on the back panel, and use the inside panels to guide readers through your story in a logical sequence. Keep important text away from fold lines and maintain consistent margins. When you're finished, go to the Share menu and download your design as a high-quality PDF, PNG, or JPG. Choose the format that fits your needs, and you're ready to print or share digitally. Thanks for watching.